Hey guys, I'm Yana. Christmas is coming. Welcome to Creality official channel.
Hey, this is Gareth. Wish everything is okay with you and all your family. As the finale of Creality official store in 2020.
There will be one last big sale. Let's go through what's on sale.
For CR10 series, we got CR10 V2 for $369. For CR10S Pro V2 is only $509. For CR10 V3 is only $461. If you are interested in our jumbo printer CR10 Max, you may have 15% off. It's only $852. For CR10 is only $299.
And the Ender 3 now is $117 and the Ender 3 Pro $188. Creality Resin Printer LD002R just now $189. Wow, that's amazing! The kit of Ender 3 V2 and more printer with 2 kg filament, we will have 50% off. Enjoy your shopping time. Merry Christmas!